So this is just more of what I'm eating. A friend of mine suggested that I make a video of what I make in a week. So some of the things are fancy, some of them are not. Today is not really fancy, but she said she appreciated seeing different ideas. So I hope that this helps you guys as well. So we had leftover chicken from Costco, and I just took one chicken breast, so we still have quite a bit of chicken left, so I can use it for soup or another kind of meal, make it maybe chicken tacos or whatever. But today I'm just gonna make an easy peasy chicken salad. So I took off the skin from the chicken, even though I really actually love the skin. I'm gonna actually eat a little bit. Yum. But you know, there's more fat in that, so I usually eat the skin when it's still hot, still warm from Costco. I'll let that be my little guilty pleasure. And then that skin, I'm just gonna throw it away. Or if you want to, you know, you could throw it in the freezer and then chop it up and put it in soup. If you want to do it that way, you certainly can. So again, this is just one chicken breast, and I have a bowl there. Let me show you the bowl. Then I'm cutting it up, and I had some purple onion in my refrigerator. I really like, it's a sweet onion, and you can buy, of course, the white sweet onion, but I really love the purple ones because, one, I love purple, but two, it's just about adding color to what you're making. So, wow, this is just one chicken breast, and I have so much meat. This is gonna make sandwiches, or just can be, you can eat it with chips. This is gonna be a lot. It's just me and my husband now, so things don't get eaten quite as fast as they used to. You want to just chop this up in nice small bite sizes. I always put celery in my chicken salad. It adds a nice little crunch, and I will chop that up in a second. But here is the purple onion. I cut a nice little slice, and you want it to be small bites. You don't want to get a big bite of onion, even though it is a sweet onion. But you'll see it. It'll be a real subtle purple in the mixture. I'm going to add some, that glob to the upper left screen. That is some burrata cheese. That's really ono, really delicious, that I had in my refrigerator that I need to use it up. So I'm going to just actually chop it. Burrata is mozzarella cheese that has cream inside. So because I'm adding this, I'm not going to put as much mayonnaise because this is a pretty rich, it'll add a really nice flavor. Okay, I'm going to chop up the celery and mix it up and show you what it looks like. So I wanted to show you guys that I also am going to add a little bit of green onions. And I usually go to the farmer's market and I get a nice bunch of green onions, and it'll have these roots. You can put them in water, or you can immediately plant them in soil, and you'll get a whole new set of green onions. It's so cool. So it's like you're getting, well, almost a continual renewal of green onions, because you just trim what you want and it'll continue to grow. So I like to add some different things. This is applewood smoked salt. It just adds a nice smoky flavor, so that when you taste it, it's like, what the heck is in there? It's just really subtle. And then this is, somebody gave me this from Trader Joe's, and you know, I'm just gonna throw it in to see how it works. And this is the mayonnaise I have left from my big container. So I have the burrata, and I have the mayonnaise, You know, when I make the sandwich, I'm definitely gonna put tomatoes on it because it'll just pop, the color will pop. So this looks just a tad bit dry to me. Some people like their, I'm gonna taste that. Wow, that's actually really quite good. I am gonna add just a little bit of, I made this roux the other day. It's on my website. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of roux, and this is a creamy mustard roux. Wow. So I'm also, again, just adding a little bit. It doesn't take much to add another layer of flavor. So there you have it. It's just a real easy chicken salad with burrata cheese and a little bit of purple onion and green onion. And I'm gonna make a sandwich. Hope you guys enjoy this. All right, this is my Burrata Bliss. It's burrata with mixed greens and homemade lavender dressing with crunchy, crusty ciabatta bread. And my husband is going to demonstrate how to do it. You get a little bit of the burrata and you put it on the crusty cheese. And you get some salad. I already dressed it with some lavender dressing. All right, let's get a nice crunch. How's that?